I'm Jane from Printing Brisbane, and today I'm going to show you our ultimate paper kit. It's pretty exciting. It's something that took us months and months to put together, and it's not an offering that you will find from any paper merchant or from any other printer. It's got a wide range of stocks, a wide range of print methods and specialty finishes, and it is a magnificent resource for anyone who buys a lot of print for their own company or advises their clients on print, like graphic designers. So I'm just going to take you through it. I'm not going to show every single sample in the kit, but I will give you a good overview of what's in here so that you can see for yourself how awesome it is. So it starts off with 3 kinds of digital foil. It's an economical way of having foil, and they look amazing. Then we move into some of the specialty finishes like edge painting and hot foil stamping. Different weights of board. Textured board, gold toner, which is new and quite exciting and looks great. A couple of different kinds of blackout board with different methods of printing white ink and a translucent paper as well. It's really good to see how the different machines print onto different papers and the different results that you get. This is a layered board, super thick, great impact, and lots of coloured stocks as well, just so that you can see, get a bit of inspiration for what's available out there. Specialty textured stocks, metallic stocks, and what's this one? This is another textured stock. This one is interesting. It's a specialty coaster and perfume board, so it's the board that gets used when they hand out perfume samples in department stores. Another textured stock, more textured, and some super smooth ones as well. This is a brown stock with the highly visible paper fibres in it, a bit different to the buffalo board and the craft board, which is the most popular. More metallic stocks and coloured ones. And some of the metallic stocks also show great use of white ink on them. This stock has got a paper starch coating on it, and it comes in a range of colours. We've chosen to display the white. It's Curious Matter is the name of that one. More coloured stocks, specialty inks, metallic silver. This card is duplex. It's made of 2 layers of cards stuck together. Mustard coloured card on the back, white on the front. We've got raised coloured foils. We've got a spot gloss and a raised spot gloss, a traditional finish and something a bit more interesting. This is a very exciting new product. It's called a rough laminate. It's got a bit of a sparkle to it. The sparkle shows up better on dark backgrounds. Buffalo board, which we all know and love. There's also different ways of printing with specialty colours that are affordable. So we've got here fluoro yellow, 2 kinds of fluoro pink, and an orange as well. They're available for short run printing, and they're not expensive. It's just a matter of knowing what is possible and the best stocks for these specialty inks as well. More coloured stocks and more textured stocks. Then we move into, we've got a magnet sample in there. Then we move into the boring, everyday, but most popular commodity stocks. So I've just got a range in here of uncoated gloss and matte stocks, ranging from about 100 GSM up to 350 GSM. So the point of these is so that you can see the difference in the different weights and the different finishes, and you can choose what's going to be best for your job based on those. And then at the back of the box, we've got a heap of signage boards. So we've got foam core PVC, core flute, different poster papers, different self-adhesive vinyls, fluted box boards, foam board, and some other signage options as well. And so it's a really useful kit. It's even for us working in-house, it's made a huge difference. And all of our graphic designer customers who've got one already love it. It's made their job so much easier. It's so much easier for them to advise and to sell to their customers. So these kits are free of charge for all our existing larger customers. But if you're new to Printing Brisbane and not working with us yet, they're only $30. So if you'd like one, quite possibly the best toolkit you could have as a designer who specialises in print, or someone who purchases print for an organisation, then we'd love to get one to you. You won't regret it. It's really useful. Oh, and most importantly, it comes with jelly beans. Thank you.